Welcome to Ideals Board. On this video, you will learn how to use the AI Minutes feature. Once you have logged into your workspace, head to Meetings in the left side panel. Find the corresponding meeting and click on the Minutes icon to enter the editor. Inside the Minutes editor, click on the Transcript tab to read the meeting transcript. If automatic transcription isn't enabled, you can upload your meeting transcripts directly into the workspace. Once you have a transcript in place, you can then head to the AI Minutes tab. Here you will be able to read through the AI Minutes draft before sharing them for review. You can copy entire agenda items or selected paragraphs and check the generated content against the transcript with one single click. Need to delete the AI Minutes? No problem. Click the three dots in the top right corner to open the options. Here you can export, reset the notes, preview or delete the transcript or the AI Minutes. Once you're ready, click Share to send the minutes for review. And now you know how to create, review, and share AI-generated minutes for your meetings.